Alrighty, what is up everybody? So this chart we're doing dash today is compliments of a comment, Rami Khalaf, my guy. I hope I pronounced your name correct. If any of you want to see a specific chart analyzed, leave it in the comments below. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, then don't. That's fine. I still hope you gain some good knowledge from here. So we're going to be doing a purely technical analysis of dash. We're going to be doing this on the 30-minute chart. Now, what does a 30-minute chart mean real quick? Well, 30-minute chart means each one of these little tiny candles that you see going up and down represents the price action in 30 minutes of time. That means the bulls pushing it up, the bears dragging it down. After 30 minutes, it will form a candle. Now, on the right side of the screen, you can see 6 minutes and counting. Now that is a new 30-minute candle forming. So if you're brand new, that is something right off the bat that you should know. Now we're going to do something a little different this time. We're going to take a look at our indicators first. Now our stochastic is up here, almost at the very tip top, but we know from past that that doesn't mean a lot. The stochastic is about 5 to 10% of our decision-making capability. If we look just previously, we'll see we're kind of zigzagging. We're at the top. We're, showing we're at the top, but we're still moving up. So this being at the very top or the very bottom doesn't signify a whole lot, but it can be helpful in certain events. So right now, stochastic not telling us much. The MACD, however, your moving average, convergence, divergence, 1226. Holy crap, that's a mouthful. What does it mean? Well, it means this blue line is going to be your 12-day estimated moving average, or EMA. This orange line is going to be your 26-day exponential moving average, or 26 EMA. So if you hear someone say 12 EMA, 26 EMA, they're talking about the exponential moving average, or basically the average swing of your price action, right? So we do see that this downtrend in price action correlates with this downtrend, or your 12 or your most recent moving average passing under your longer term. Now this is starting to pass to the upside, which is why multiple time frames are helpful. We can probably go to the 15-minute and see that we have made a clean break. So we have made this clean break on the 15, so that signifies that this 30 is probably, now remember, everything in trading is a probability based on in the now indicators and charting patterns and technical analysis. What I say right now could be constantly evolving, or will be constantly evolving, and could be entirely different 4 hours down the line. That's why we do our live show all week. That is why I make all these charting videos, is so you guys can be inside my head and you can see the charts, you can see the patterns without me saying anything, right? Because they're constantly evolving. And while we're on that topic, never enter or exit any position based on what you hear or see on social media. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a professional trader. I'm just a guy that loves charts, math, and money. And again, hit that subscribe button if that sounds like something you are into. So looking at the index, now the RSI down here on the bottom, this indicator down here, RSI 14, this is going to be showing strength. Oh, let me grab my tool here. Strength, buying power coming into the market, and then inversely selling power coming into the market. So here's your longs, here's your shorts. Everything is just the battle of the bulls versus the bears. Now, one thing to look out for that is scary, okay? Now hold on, it's scary, but it can also be justified already. Now you see with this move up right here, we got a little pullback before we continued. Now when we continued this right here, we got a bigger pullback. Now some people could be saying this is crashing, but I actually think this pullback is very, very bullish. And here's why. On the index, we had this move right here. Now this is a bearish divergence. This shows fewer and fewer people willing to come into the market long, or willing to buy into this market, right? Now inversely, the price action shows the price going up. Now this is a halt for me if I'm looking to take a position. I cannot validate or justify buying into a downtrending strength market with a higher price. I can't do that. However, with this bigger pullback here, okay, so inversely we see the first pullback is very, very minimal. Okay, we do have bullish volume, right? Confirming that. We have bullish trends confirming that. this was validated until we hit this higher point, and we had to have this pullback to move higher. So do I think, in my unprofessional opinion, and based on unemotional charting, that Dash is going to go higher from here? Yes, I believe it's going to go higher, and I believe it is going to at least touch, if not break, that 300 mark. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, we found this retracement right here. Now, this is tradingview.com. You can use it for free. I'm not an affiliate, nor do I get anything from you using it. Okay, but you can use tradingview.com to practice all of your charting in real time. It's a great tool. And I tell anyone that trades right beside me to use it as well, especially for practice. So we're going to grab the Fibonacci Retracement, which requires 2 points, the start of an impulse and the end of an impulse. Now, I am going to look for the next time we make a lower low, which would be right about here, and I would say this impulse starts right about here. Okay, so you can see we got a nice pullback here. We kind of dipped under this 38% retracement, and we're heading on the way back up. Now, the one thing that we want to know is, where's our sell target, right? If we were to get into the market right now, what would be the target for this run? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this other tool, the trend-based Fibonacci extension. I'm going to take our first point, our second point, and now this requires a third point, which is be where we actually retraced to. So I'm going to put it right there on the 221, right? So now I can pull it up and I can say, all right, well, my target for this move would be either 307 at a 50% retracement to the upside, or 327 for a 61% retracement to the upside. That basically means I expect some sort of move up to here before a pullback, or some sort of move up to here before a pullback, and then a move higher, right? So this is what I'm looking at for the Dash chart. If there is a chart that you would like me to read, leave it in the comments down there, and I will certainly try to get to it. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up on this video, as that thumbs up is the only thing that's going to let YouTube know there's some quality content here, and it also lets me know that you think there's quality content here in the meantime. So as always, guys, take it easy. Never enter a position based on emotions, never chase based on FOMO, and never sell due to panic. Catch you guys next time.